Welcome back to the channel, and now we're at a beach. It's officially Isabella's birthday. Officially, she's 5 years old, but we did have her birthday party in South Carolina prior to moving here. Let me see what beach we are at. Amanda, tell me what beach we're at.
Praia dos Seixas.
Is that true? Yeah, verdade? Alright, let's take a little walk around the beach. See what's going on. There's the Princess Isabella. You notice the water almost looks like Charleston water, Charleston, South Carolina water. You know, looks a little brownish. That is the way it looks in the wintertime apparently here. It's Brazil's wintertime. It doesn't mean it's dirty. That's just the color it gets from the sand underneath. But the farther you go out, I don't know if you can see, it's a little greenish. A little bit further than those boats are tidal pools. At low tide, these boats out here will take you out to the pools, and you can swim with the fish. You can feed them and all that stuff. So out there, right out there, the water's really clear. It's just right in here next to the shore, because of the sand, it gets real muddy looking, even though it's not mud, it's not dirt, it's not sewage, none of that stuff. It's actually clean, besides miscellaneous garbage on the beach. But again, since it's Isabella's official birthday, she remembered that I said, when we go to Brazil, we can go to the beach every day. Well, so we had to go today, bring her to the beach for a little bit. The beach is only really 10 minutes from our house. And the farther you get away from João Pessoa, the water will get clearer and clearer. It's just because of how shallow it is here. And there's a reef right out there. Once you get past that reef, the water is really clear. In the wintertime, the water will turn even clearer. But you can see, you got some cliffs up there, and got some strong alcohol on the beach. Down here, I don't think they need a license or anything in that. If you have enough money to buy the cart and you teach yourself how to mix drinks, they can mix you a drink here. But it looks like that guy has a nice little monopoly going on the beach. That's the only cart I see out here. So at low tide, these boats will take passengers out to the reef. It's only, it's probably $10 to get out there. And you'll stay out there for an hour or two. Swim with the fish. All along the beach, you'll see those different restaurants up here. And all these restaurants have the little table and chairs. Usually if you're paying to eat or drink, they won't charge you for the tables and the umbrella. But if you just sit at their establishment, of course they're going to charge you for the umbrella and the chairs. Makes sense. Got a little sargassum here, not as bad as the Caribbean. We're pretty far down the coast of Brazil. We're probably closer to the equator than anywhere. The top of this cliff is actually the easternmost point in South America. So this is the closest point on the top of this cliff to Africa. And Africa is probably closer to us here than the United States. But it's a nice little, it's like 80-something degrees. It's their winter time. And in our winter time back in the States, here we'll get about 86 degrees here. Every day it'll be the same temperature, 86 degrees every day. But it's a cool little vibe down here. Nobody messing with you. And if you're used to the beaches in America, if they have hard liquor on that beach, somebody's gonna mess up, you know, and ruin it for everybody else. But here, I've never seen anybody fall down drunk being able to purchase alcohol on the beach. And these mixed drinks on the beach will probably cost you $3-4 at the most. Got restaurants everywhere. All over Brazil, the sun will set around 5 o'clock. So it's only like 2 o'clock here, but you know, you see my shadow. I have a strong shadow already. Then again, in the morning time, the sun will rise at 5 o'clock in the morning. And in their summertime, already by 6 o'clock, it's hot. You know, they could have a few less weeds here, but it doesn't stop anybody from having fun. And it's a Wednesday right now. What is this? Saw a seed or something. Thought it was a shell. Because of the reef out here, I've never found any really good shells here. I think the reef stops all the good shell collecting out here. You might find some out in the tidal pools, maybe some nice seashells that you can collect, but I don't really see much worth collecting here. But we got a table up here at this restaurant. Amanda wants to order some crab, but the crabs down here kind of look like those land crabs you see in South Florida. I don't really want to eat those. They don't have like snow crabs or anything like that here. But she likes it. Still tastes like crab. Dude. I don't know how easy you can hear me. I got this little windproof screen on the microphone. Maybe that's better. Anyway, so you don't have to hear me. And we're back from our little tour. I shot some aerials today with my drone, so you'll get to see those pools that I mentioned. Tidal pools. You come at low tide, the water will be even clearer because it's less deep, you know. Amanda's mother is visiting from Solana, which is about 2.5 hours from here, closer to 3. I think she goes home tomorrow after visiting her favorite daughter and her favorite grandchild, Isabella.